Most people looking for easy online income get excited too quickly. But here's the truth no one tells you. Platforms like Humanatic are real, but they are not a fast path to high income. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is expecting full-time money from simple micro-tasks. In this video, you will learn what Humanatic actually is in 2026, how it works, how much you can realistically earn, and whether it is worth your time. Let's break it down simply. Humanatic is a platform where users review recorded phone calls. These calls are usually from businesses like customer service centers, sales teams, or support systems. Your job is to listen and categorize what happened. A worker like Alex might listen to a call and mark it as sales, support, spam, or appointment related. It sounds simple, and it is. But there is more to understand. Now here's where it gets interesting. You are not doing skilled freelance work or traditional remote jobs. You are doing micro-level classification tasks that help train AI systems and improve business analytics. But here's the problem most beginners face. They assume simple work means high pay. In reality, the earnings are very low compared to standard freelance platforms. So let's go step by step. First, how you join. You sign up online, pass a short qualification test, and then get access to available call categories. A user like Jake might start with basic call types before unlocking more categories over time. Second, the work itself. You listen to short audio clips and choose the correct category. It requires focus, but not advanced skills. However, accuracy is very important because mistakes can affect your access. Third, the pay structure. Payment is per call, not per hour. This means your income depends on how many calls you can process. For many users, this results in low hourly earnings. In a minute, here is the key insight most people miss. Humanatic is not designed for income stability. It is designed for small-scale data processing. Fourth, flexibility. You can work anytime from your phone or computer. A worker like John might do a few minutes of tasks during breaks or free time. Fifth, consistency. Availability of calls can change depending on demand. Some days are active. Others are very slow. Sixth, who it is best for. It is best for beginners, students, or people looking for very small side income without pressure or commitments. So is Humanatic worth it in 2026? Yes, but only for extra pocket money. It is a legitimate platform, but it does not provide meaningful income for most users. It works best as a very light side activity. To summarize, Humanatic is real, easy to use, and flexible, but extremely low paying and inconsistent. If you understand that upfront, your expectations will be realistic. If this helped you understand Humanatic clearly, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest reviews that help you avoid confusion and make smarter online income decisions in 2026.